all his life watching his mother do, what is called spinning, I think it is, spindling. Asu machine, kada? What is called ASU machine, and she used to do it spindling really manually, which is very, very taxing on human body. So he's seen this all his life. He's seen his mother suffer. He's seen his sister suffer, because this is mostly an activity that the women in the household in the weaving community engage. So he's not even a graduate. I don't think he's even a 10th class. He's a 10th class pass out. I think he's not even a metric graduate. But nevertheless, he came up with a wonderful invention, which is all automated, an ASU machine, which is all automated. In fact, I think he got a presidential award for grassroots innovation as well. So there are some wonderful people out there who need to be handheld, who need really some sort of nurturing, some sort of support from the government. That's exactly what we are set out to do. Recently, we launched a wonderful program at Indian School of Business called Technology Entrepreneurship Program, TEP, in association with the government of Telangana. And out there I met another wonderful young man called Kranti Kiran Vistakula, and he came up with another wonderful invention. He's a very well-read, well-educated young man, and he came up with a wonderful invention called, what was it called? It was a brilliant product to alleviate this whole carpal tunnel syndrome, which is prevalent in IT industry. So he came up with a fantastic pad kind of a thing, which really takes care of your hands and your fingers very, very quickly. It gives instant relief. It's a wonderful product, which I think he has patented already. So these are the guys that are coming up with wonderful things from Hyderabad, and that's what we want to do. We want to nurture the local talent. At the same time, we also want to provide a wonderful platform, a national platform, for anybody who wants to come from anywhere in India or elsewhere to come here, set shop in Hyderabad, and take their idea from the stage, the ideation stage, to a product stage. We want, we don't want these young entrepreneurs with wonderful ideas to be bogged down by, the hassles such as, incorporating a company, the legalities involved, the accounting side, the office space management, patenting, mentoring, etc. That's exactly why we have IIIT, ISB, and also Nalsar to be a part of this. The reason why we are looking at August Fest with a lot of promise is because we also want to present T-Hub to all these wonderful young entrepreneurs who are going to be visiting Hyderabad the end of this month. I think the stage is perfectly set for Hyderabad to take off, because as I've been repeatedly saying, Hyderabad has everything going for it. But for the two things it had missing in the last few years, one was political stability, the other was decisive leadership. Now we have both of them in place, and we have wonderful organizations such as TIE and HICS supporting us. So all in all, I think we are poised for a takeoff, and T-Hub is being launched at the right time. In fact, I'm proud of the fact that sometimes ideas take forever to get implemented. But in this government, in the first 2.5 months of, not even 2.5 really, 66 or 67 days if I count accurately, I think in the first 2 months, we've been able to, all of us together on this stage, have been able to make a very good impact in the IT industry and the IT community. And people see us with a lot of hope now, because I get that quite often wherever I go off late, that this government is making all the right moves as far as IT goes. And we want to keep up that promise. We want to deliver on this promise. And therefore,
కాపాడుకోలేక కేసీఆర్ గారి మీద మాట్లాడితే, ప్రభుత్వం మీద గట్టిగా మాట్లాడితే పదవి ఉంటుందేమో అని ఏమైనా ఆశ ఉంటే మాట్లాడుకోండి, పైరవి చేసుకోండి, మాకు పర్వాలేదు. కానీ అంటే కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీలోనే పాపం పైరవీల సంస్కృతి, ఎవరినో ఒకరిని బతిలాడుకోవాలి, ఎవరో ఒకరిని కాళ్ళ వేళ పడాలి. కేసీఆర్